guys, welcome back. We're back. What?
On the fuck? On the spot. I guess we're gonna do the kicking legs thing.
I can join you in that.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
My last year. Yeah, it's my last year.
Oh, here we go. Alright, here we go. On the legendary Fireball. It's so legendary.
Stop again.
Whoa,
Wow.
kicking makes it like swing more.
Let's keep doing it then.
Here we go.
Whoa, whoa! Who would have thought one of Saj's crazy ideas worked? Whoa! Wow. It's kind of fun.
At least though I've been filming the stabilization. I haven't all day. You know what that means?
What?
Post-production. Actually, it does look better in post.
Well,
Stabilize it.
what do you mean you have to turn on stabilization for that?
You can turn it off. I've had it off all day.
That's why.